But this is Jolly Roger Snoopy Kiddie ride. You're gonna finish again because I think it has no sub activation now. Watch this. See, sub activation's been bypassed for some reason. Just not on its own. And yeah, it's still mute. We have a Jolly Roger in about 1998. Unlicensed to, I don't know, to be honest. These some of the versions unfortunately bypassed now. I'm not sure why, to be honest. Here's the resin scoop. It is unfortunately still mute, which I know. I thought that the last do flash well, to be honest. They do work well in the dark. It's a shame it's still mute. I mean, I knew it. So sad it's mute. And yeah, it has a picture of the horns down there. What if I give it a tap? No, nothing. But you want your turn, please? Some kids want to get on this ride. Yeah, it makes me think that it makes me get more rides for some reason. And also trying to run a Snoopy Kiddie ride.